Hi guys, this is the first video on a series of the cardiovascular system. Like, comment and subscribe. First off, let's start with the function of the cardiovascular system. There are three main functions of the cardiovascular system: transport, homeostasis, and protection. Transport is rather self-explanatory. The blood vessels deliver nutrients to body cells and take up waste for excretion. The CVS also aids in the maintenance of homeostasis. It has functions ranging from temperature regulation and maintaining salt balance to maintaining pH by using the blood buffer system. The final role of the cardiovascular system is in protection. The CVS ferries around immune cells to work against pathogens and contains numerous platelets to clot those wounds. The second section of this video is key components of the cardiovascular system. The key components of the cardiovascular system are the heart, arterial system, capillaries, venous system, and lymphatics. The journey of a blood cell around the body can be thought of as a car journey, where the blood cell is the car. The major blood vessels such as the aorta and vena cava act as highways, and the capillaries act as slower country roads to enable diffusion of nutrients into the tissue fluid and waste out of the tissue fluid into the blood. The tissues that require oxygen and nutrients are the destination, although the blood cell leaves its destination almost immediately to continue around the highways, and the heart is the gas station that fuels the movement of the car around the body. If the highways or gas stations shut down, then the body cells begin to die. This can cause gangrene, particularly in diabetic patients, heart attacks, and strokes. Normally this happens when the highways become blocked by atherosclerosis. This is like a car accident. We will cover this process in a later video. All you need to know for now is that it is a bad process and you should like and subscribe to learn more. The final section of this video is the anatomy of the heart. The heart is a very simple organ. It has four chambers because we are not fishes. The heart is split into the left and right sides, and each side is made up of an atrium on top and a ventricle at the bottom. The right heart is part of the pulmonary circulation, so it pumps blood to the lungs to oxygenate it. And the left heart is part of the systemic circulation, so it pumps blood to the rest of the body to keep the cells well fed and oxygenated. As the left heart does all the heavy lifting, it is more muscular. An easy way to remember this is the lung is right, and left heart pumps to what's left over. We certainly don't want a two-way traffic in our circulation, so what's keeping the traffic in check? The answer is valves. There are two types of valves: atrioventricular valves, AV for short, and semilunar valves. AV valves separate the atria and ventricles and consist of tricuspid on the right and bicuspid or mitral on the left. Remember that mitral sounds like mighty, and the left heart is muscular and mighty. Lastly, the semilunar valves control the blood that goes out of the heart. They include the pulmonary valve and the aortic valve. That's it for now. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.